Hello, little chefs. Today we're embarking on a magical journey to discover the secrets of making sugar, the sweet enchantment that turns our treats into delightful wonders. Get your imaginations ready as we dive into the world of sugar making fun. First stop, the sunny sugarcane fields. Join our adventure as we watch farmers gather tall and juicy sugarcane. It's like nature's candy waiting to be transformed. Now, let's squeeze out the sweetness. Picture the sugary juice flowing from the sugar as we get ready to start our sugary creation. Time to heat things up. Join us in the kitchen where the magic begins. We'll boil and simmer our sugarcane juice until it transforms into a syrupy, delicious wonder. Watch closely as sugar crystals start to form. It's like a sweet science experiment happening right before our eyes. Can you imagine the crystals twinkling with sweetness? The moment we've been waiting for our sugar crystals. Picture the joy and excitement as we collect the sweet treasures, ready to add happiness to our favorite treats. And there you have it, young chefs, the magical journey of making sugar. From the fields to your kitchen, it's been a sweet adventure. If you enjoyed our sugar making magic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the sweetness. Until next time, keep spreading the joy of homemade treats.